to the latest edition of the Monday Money Tip presented by I Was Broke, Now I'm Not, an organization that is committed to helping people accomplish far more than they ever thought possible with their personal finances. Well, hello friend, my name is Joseph Sengel and I'm the founder of that organization, and I'm committed to helping you win with your money. I'm really hopeful that this tip will help you kick off your week right and make your Monday just a little bit better. Today I'm going to talk about compound interest and how it can explode your money. It can literally explode your money. And we hear a lot about compound interest. My bet is you've probably heard about compound interest. But I know that when I speak with many people, they don't truly understand and get it on how this really works. It's at work all around you. It's at work with money and with other things in life. It's at work with plants and trees and animals all around you. With the human population, compound interest is it's a mathematical explosion that really can explode your money. And let me tell you where and how to get compound interest working for you. It's through any and all types of investments, both within the stock market and without. It's with its small business, it's with residential and commercial and land real estate, it's with antiques, it's with an individual talent you might have. It might be an invention or intellectual property. It could be a stock, a bond, a mutual fund, an ETF. It might be any one or all of those. But here's how compound interest can work for you. I wanted to show you how it works. Compound interest, suppose you invested $100 a month for 40 years. Well, that would be $100 a month times 12 months. That would be $1,200 a month times 40 years. That's $48,000. But how much would that $48,000 be worth after 40 years? Well, you see the number in front of you, $1,176,477. Now, it can be kind of crazy to think that $100 a month for 40 years could yield that type of amount of money, but it's real. And you might be asking, how do you get 12% annual interest on your money? Well, the stock market has returned somewhere around 11 to 12% over the last 75 years. You can see my list of investments at josephsengel.com. Click on Joe's Investments, and we've been able to yield a greater than 12% annual return for more than 15 years, and I encourage you to check that out. But let me show you the example. Let's say in year one, month one, you started investing $100. And you can see right here that that $100 is there all month long, but it's 12% annual interest. So you divide that by 12 months, that's 1% per month. So after that first month, year one, month two, you get $1, 1% on that $100. They just give it to you for having money, because they take your money and in turn lend it out to someone else, and they make a greater return on their money. You save another $100 because you made it automatic. You now have $201. That is what we call simple interest. You've invested $200, so you're up $1, get fired up, and now you have $201 all month long in month three. And this month, they give you $2 and a penny. Think about it. Last month, they gave you $1 for the $100 that you'd put in there. But this month, they not only have to give you $2 for the $200 you've saved, but they have to give you a penny, see it, for the $1 they gave you last month. That's 1% of $1. And so that is compound interest. It's when they pay you interest on the money they've already given you as interest. That's an incredible concept, and it causes explosive math to happen. You save another $100 because you made it automatic, and look at this. After a year, you have $68.25 ahead of what you've invested. After 5 years, though, it starts going crazy. This is just $100 a month, $8,167. After 10 years, it's $23,000. After 20 years, it's almost $100,000. 25 years, $187,000. Then it becomes $349,000 and $643,000. Now you have $1,176,477. Get fired up. You can do this. You can win with your money, and it's an incredible way to really fund the big time dreams you have in your life. There's an investment value calculator located at IWBNIN.com that you just click on tools. You can see it there. And here's what I know. If you type in different numbers, you can save way more than $100 a month. Go type in how much you could save if you were debt free. You will be on your way to being a millionaire. And I can't wait for you to call me and contact me at the MondayMoneyTip.com and get fired up.